All right, so I bought these two different boats here for $250 a piece. This one had a 50 horse Merc that wouldn't start, and this one had a 35 horse Merc that ran but had a broken leg. She's a little rough. I gotta get this mounted back up here and fucking put some seats in the cunt, but fucking electric start. Battery's dead as fuck, probably won't even crank. Yeah, it's too dead. I just gotta get it to run now. Oh, she died. Lift up the old choke. Right on. Alright. 35 horse pull start. 50 horse electric start. Brand new starter on it. Piece of shit boat. Piece of shit trailer. Decent boat, decent trailer. All right, she is a runner. The only thing left to do, I got to wire up. Oh, my key works. I just got to mount it. Controls work. 2 gas tanks, trolling motor, battery, and then this battery for the trolling motor and the solar panel. This thing is fucking working mint. I just had the water tester on it. Water pump works good. All the electrical, I mean, it's badass. And this one can go to the auction with all my parts. Oh, I still got to do one more thing. I still got to take, pretty sure it's the same size prop, but this one's fucked. So I got to switch the prop still, and then that's it. All right, got the horn on here now. I'm just not quite done anything here. I just had to go get those to mount this in, but electric start, and then that's got to be on. My air compressor's under there, so it's really loud in here. But apparently the horn's loud, I don't know. And then this is my bilge pump. So if any water comes in, then it goes out. Okay, I just got this. This is my choke. So to start it, you gotta lift that up, start it, push it back down. I might fucking run a thing. I don't know. But basically, that's how you gotta, you need to choke it to start it. Probably just fold this, make a little loop. But it's good to go now. Like, obviously it's not choked, but and there's the bilge pump. Well, I got my solar panel hooked up, the booster pack also hooked up, and we don't have enough juice to get this thing started. Oh, and we're on the shore.
We're fucking moving. Fucking flying, boys. They're trolling and they're going faster than us. 1966. Fucking cruising now.
I think I should get more out of it. Yeah, I should go tighter yet. Shoo!
Fucking
fucking right.
Let's go!
This thing's fucking ripping. We're doing like 60. No, like 50. That's it.
1966, baby!
Fuck yeah.
Fucking cruising! Let's go, buddy!
Fucking flying, dude. I'll lower you into the water there, Swanee. Fuck off, eh?
Fucking
We
reds.
just won a race. I'm in a boat that's faster than someone else's.
It's a 1966!
1960, that's the same year as my mom.
Running like a top.
2 years younger than my dad. I've never been in that bay. And now we got a vessel, we can go anywhere we fucking want. Wanna go to that bay?
We sure can!
Let's go to that bay.
Let's go to that fucking bay.
Oh, shit! It's big!
Hit that thing, hit that thing. Let's go.
Oh. That sucks. Yeah, buddy. Fucking A, but fucker. Dude, we crossed the lake
Fuck yeah, we did. In this vessel.
in this vessel.
Overall, it ran pretty good. At the beginning there, you seen it was just going really slow. That was just because my throttle cable wasn't tight enough, so I pulled off to the side and I had to tighten that up, but I didn't quite get it good enough, so it wasn't as fast as it can go. I'm sure once I tighten that up, it'll go even faster. And I'm definitely not done, so thanks for watching, and I'm sure there'll be more.